Alright, good morning traders. Today I would like to make a breakdown of a trade I took on GU on the 24th of July. So starting with the daily time frame, as you can see, the market was on a bearish trend. We were forming lower lows and then lower highs. Lower lows and then lower highs. So upon formation of a new lower low, we will be expecting a lower high to play out. Based on this, we delve down to the 4-hour time frame to look at what price action is giving us. And as you can see, 4-hour was bearish as at landing session. So we're going to do a playback of everything, and then we look at how the market was before this trade was taken. So on the 4-hour, this was the setup. We were looking for a change of character, which in this case might be a 15-minute swing break. Good. So a 4-hour change of character. Then we head to the 15-minute to see what price action is saying. On the 15-minute, we could see that we've had a 15-minute break of structure from this point. So the market has shown signs of bullishness. So after the break with body, we had a pullback and a new high being formed. Now, trying to capitalize on this move, we know that the moment this low is taken, we're going to have a pullback on the 4-hour. But as of now, the 4-hour is still bearish. It's still bearish, but the 15-minute is bullish. So we can expect the pullback to continue, because 15 minutes switching bullish means that the 4-hour has no intention of coming down now, but rather there is a tendency that we are going to have a change of character and head towards the 4-hour point of interest or the supply zone above, so that we can look for sell in the coming days. Based on this, we headed down to the 5-minute to look at what price is giving us, and as you can see, we had a change of character on the 5-minute, showing price action, giving us some bearish signals. So we had this break, we had a pullback, we had another break. After that, we tapped into a demand area, but we had a change of character on the 5-minute. So to see this clear, we have to delve down into the 1-minute time frame. And on the 1-minute time frame, as you can see, price push down from this side. We had a push down into this area, and after that we had this clear of liquidity, trendline liquidity, and then we had a build up of another trendline liquidity above. So price cleared the downside, went up, gave us a break of structure, and then what we expect now is a pullback into our demand zone, a new form order block to take our trade. So we took the trade based on this order block, which was a nice risk to reward trade. We had our demand, and a nice 1.5 pip SL. It wasn't that huge, but a 1.5 for a Monday morning isn't bad. So that was it. Just to target a 4-hour change, where we had a 4-hour change of character, would have been 8-hour. But we know if we should break this area, market is not just going to reverse. There's a tendency for the 15 minutes to change if we are supposed to have a pullback. So normally our target as traders is to look for 10-hour and get out of the market. But it's not, we are not in high hopes that we are just waiting for the market to go give us 10-hour before we exit our position. No, along the line we will be managing our positions. We will be making sure that we take partials along, and then we also go break even when necessary. So our break even point is this zone. The moment we have a closure above this point, all right, above this point, we go break even, we go risk free, and then we allow the market to do its own thing. Normally per our rules, it's either you go break even or you take 50% off your position. So you can choose either that pleases you. But if you take 50%, you have the remaining 50%. So by the time you take your full TP, you'll be having about 6.5 hours, which is a cool play for the day. Now let's see how this trade played out. And as you can see, that was a nice TP there. And that is how we capitalize on this move on Monday morning. Kindly subscribe to our channel and leave a comment and tell us the next topic you want us to treat. Peace out.